Welcome, food enthusiasts, to another exciting culinary adventure. Today, we're diving into the world of plant-based cooking, and I'll show you how to create delicious, mouthwatering meals that are not only good for you but also good for the planet. Let's get cooking. Plant-based cooking is a fantastic way to explore new flavors, improve your health, and reduce your environmental footprint. Whether you're a vegan, vegetarian, or just looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet, you're in for a treat. First, let's talk about plant-based protein sources. Beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, and chickpeas are excellent choices. They provide the protein your body needs for energy and muscle maintenance. To make your plant-based dishes burst with flavor, don't forget about herbs and spices. Experiment with herbs like basil and thyme, and spices like cumin and paprika. Vegetables are the stars of plant-based cooking. Explore the rainbow of options: bell peppers, broccoli, zucchini, and more. They bring color, texture, and nutrients to your meals. Master various cooking techniques, such as sautéing, roasting, and grilling, to add depth and richness to your dishes. These methods enhance the natural flavors of your ingredients. Ensure a well-rounded meal by including whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat pasta. Combine them with your favorite veggies and proteins for a satisfying plate. Don't forget about plant-based substitutes. Use almond milk, coconut yogurt, or vegan cheese to replace dairy. Try plant-based meat alternatives like seitan or jackfruit for familiar textures. And there you have it, the art of cooking delicious plant-based meals. It's a journey of flavors, textures, and creativity that benefits both you and the planet. So, what are you waiting for? Get into the kitchen and start experimenting. If you find these plant-based cooking tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Happy cooking!